about the new committee that you have formed in Biddi, sir. Can you please brief us? What will be the committee? What will be the...
Don't force me what I want to say. You just get to go.
About the committee, sir.
This Biddi township was being brought by Mr. H.D. Kumaraswamy. He was the chief minister. He started this acquisition. He notified it. He wanted this project to give to the DLF. So DLF gave about 400 crores. Then they took back the money. Mr. Kumaraswamy, when he was the chief minister, and Mr. Yediyurappa was the deputy chief minister, he kept the land under the red zone and the permanent agriculture zone. He said that no land can be sold to anyone or developed. That the order he made. I have not made any. This is not my project. This is a project of Mr. H.D. Kumaraswamy and BJP. Both of them wanted this township. They wanted 5-6 townships. 9,000 acres was being acquired here. They made a notification. They decided to give 25 lakh rupees per acre and 8,000 rupees are the composition, 8,000 square feet of land. I have just continued this. I don't want it to withdraw or cancel it because it doesn't come to purview. If I denotify, one day or other day I will have to be in the jail. I don't want to do that blunder. So we are going ahead. We have notified it. There are many farmers in many villages. Already 70% of the villages have taken money. Where I don't compel any farmer to give their land.
Which are notified.
Which are notified. If they want, let them keep the land. We will not force them. Whatever Kumaraswamy orders are there, we will continue with those orders. So we will not interfere with that. In the meantime also, when Mr. Yediyurappa was the chief minister again, Mr. Jagdish Shettar was there. In the same land, 1,000 acres of land has been acquired by the KADB. KADB already has acquired by the same place, in the same land, about 80 lakh rupees was being given to 900 acres of land, nearly 900 to 1,000 acres of land. They acquired and they are using for an industrial purpose. Whatever earlier also when Mr. Kumaraswamy and Devegowda was the chief minister, in the same area they acquired the land. They have done the industrial level where the Toyota is presently there, the entire township is there, where Aravali is there in the same district. About thousands of acres has been acquired. They are also farmers. This was been done and over the entire tenure of Mr. Kumaraswamy and Mr. Yediyurappa. I don't want to add anything, leave anything. I don't want to disturb any farmer. I appeal to all the farmers. You please do your work. If you want to give to the government, you give. Otherwise, we will go with the orders of Mr. Kumaraswamy. Let the farmers enjoy the land. Though Kumaraswamy had ordered that even the villages should be shifted, I have made an order that no villages should be shifted. They should be protected. They should see that their own house should be there and we will develop that area. That is what I have ordered. I don't want, this is not my project. This is a project of Mr. Kumaraswamy and the BJP government.
But the
I want to form a committee also in this. Either I will just discuss with my cabinet colleagues, either with the some farmer judges or a committee or a legislators. I'll form a committee, all including Mr. Ashok was a part of this. Many ministers of the BJP also were a part of this great movement. Though there are so many allegations made by various political leaders, I am least bothered about it. So many conspiracies there. Mr. Kumaraswamy has said that he will be going to send me to jail. I welcome him. I have seen the jail. And you not worry on that. I know the background of what is going on. They are just trying to fool the farmers. I am a son of a farmer. I want to protect the interest of the farmer. If I take any decision, I will take only in the interest of the farmer. This is a decision of my government. I will discuss with my cabinet colleagues. A committee will be formed. I will seek the report of it. Then my cabinet colleagues will sit and will take a decision.
Message to the farmers, sir?
My message to the farmer is, don't go by the political angle. Look at the law. I don't want to work against the law. So we will sit, we will discuss. You say, my officers will, you please come. If anyone wants money, you can come and take. If anyone wants to leave the land, you can keep the land, you can keep the land. No, we will not make any force or any compulsion on this. But I am not permitted to denotify any land. Because already you have seen our former chief ministers with denotification, how much trouble they have been faced. Even how much trouble Mr. Gowda and family has given to me on the denotification, I know about it. Which no denotification has been done. For even Yadurappa also they fixed along with me. What has been done. I don't want to discuss much. I appeal to the farmers, don't we go with this, all these political issues. They are trying to misuse you for a political gains. Nothing will happen. I am here, your son. I am there to protect your interests.
Will the cabinet be